Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, F.D.V, for those in the know. I am a wife, mother, motivational speaker, fashionista, model, actress, and a makeup addict. May I never find a cure for my addictions. Welcome to this new episode, darlings. Can you believe that we are in March? Where did the time go? Where did the time go? I'm scared. The older I get, the faster time seems to go, and I get nervous because I'm like, you know what? I still need more time. Okay, so February favorites was fun. I really enjoyed myself. Without a beat, let us start. If you love this makeup tutorial, it is actually a link down below where you can see a step by step. Having said that, Julius Place came out with minis. 4 of them. They came out in Christmas. Actually, they launched these palettes in Christmas. I will link all 4 episodes for you down below. When I tell you that they gave me life, you guys loved it. They're so beautiful. They're so compact. They're so easy. You can use them all together. You can use them separately. You can twin them, triple them. You can do whatever. And they got 6 colors in each one. As you can see, you've got the violets in that violet family. You've got the chocolates in the chocolate family. You've got the nudes in the nude family, as you can see right here. And then you have that berry family. I did tutorials for you, and so that way it speaks for itself, and you can understand why I'm saying that these are my favorites. Julius Place, head and shoulders above all else. For deeper skin sisters, wow, they really are for us. I'm one of the darkest. When I look at foundation shades, I'm usually the second to the last or the last. For me to have a makeup brand where I can be so creative regardless of the color, that's Julius Place. Discount code for those that are new. I have for you 10% off at checkout for Julius Place on the website. Go there, spoil yourselves. Go there, buy all kinds. While I'm on this subject, because a lot of you have been asking me, there's a particular brush that I use for my cut crease. It is by Julius Place. This is just random right here. There you go. It's by Julius Place, and this brush is called, I tell you right now, J119, and you will get the precision for the gods. The easiest way for you to apply a cut crease. Don't get for the fancy flat brushes. This is for beginners. And if you look at the sharp edge right there, voila, there you go. Absolutely sensational to cut your cut crease. Beautiful, easy applique. This is Julius Place J119 eyeliner. You will love. All right, we have Acid Rain. Now these are bases, but they are colored bases, and these are by P. Louise. I bought every single shade because it has umped my makeup artistry to a level where I am living and loving. And these are Colored Rain. Again, I'll put the link down below for you guys so that you can see. You can put it on the base just like you're cutting a crease, or you want to let a color pop, or you want a color to be much more vibrant. Let us say you have peach, for example. You can put the peach on and then put your shadow on top, and it's fire. You can also put it in your waterline, and you can put another color on top of it, because a lot of shadows need something to adhere to, especially underneath the lash line and in the waterline. These are so much fun to use. Love, love, love. JACLYN Hill came out with a palette of all palettes. I have volume 1, but her volume 2 gave me life. And as you can see, it is completely beaten up. I'm addicted. You know I love color. You know that I live for it. And this palette just gave me life. It gave everything. So pigmented, so creamy, so smooth. The application, live and love. Morphe, I think you use her discount code JACLYN for checkout when you get onto the Morphe website. This is worth having. It was just so much fun. I live and I love. Huda Beauty came out with a code, the Nude Rich chocolate that I was looking for. It is my contour when I want to deepen my eye socket. I use this color right here where my pinky is. This is one of the best, dark chocolate friendly. That's gorgeous. Dark Skin Makeup Daily is another brand that I live for. This is her beauty blender. This is Beauty Blender. This is the texture of Beauty Blender. This is the texture of Dark Skinned Makeup Daily. Absolutely beautiful. I am addicted. It is so soft. It's so plump. It just really gives me what I need in a beauty blender, to the point that I just don't feel like I like the beauty blenders anymore because they feel a little bit too hard. These are gorgeous. I will put the link below. Try it out for yourselves, because I think that, you know, I'm telling you what I like. I have terribly oily skin. And they say you age better when you have oily skin, but it's still, you know, a nuisance. And so I find myself dabbing, patting throughout the day, you know. And this, just the flat edge also, it just gives me, it just does it for me. I don't know what else to tell you guys, you know. Just look, I'm applying it now, and I just want you to see how it just buffs out my face, you know. And I'm like, Fumi, you know what? You don't need Botox yet. No, you're good. And that is it, darlings. Nothing too heavy for the February faves, but I wanted to share. This is what I'll be using repeatedly throughout the year because they've got those little gems in there. Again, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Tell me what your favorites are, because I like to hear from you guys. Drop me messages in my DMs on IG as well, because that's how I get to know about those little small indie brands that I love to support. I get a lot of PR, ever so grateful for it, but I also like to go out and say to myself, you know what, this brand is doing really well and I really love this product. I'm just supporting out of true love and because they really have a good product going. All right, darlings, I got to go. Yes, honey, and I will see you soon. Oh, let's say goodbye. Goodbye, my loves. Bye.